it's cold. All right, just got my long carpet today and it's raining out there. This is a perfect time. Now, if you're worried about getting it dirty, don't worry, it's washable. Now, there's two ends to it. This one has like a more like a rubber end at the bottom so it could grip on. Looks perfect on any hallway or any entrance. And right now we're gonna put in our entrance because it is raining. I wanna make sure that people are coming in. That's the first thing they walk into, so their shoes could get clean and not soak the actual floor. I do have a hardwood floor, so I'm gonna put this in the entrance and see how it looks. All right, so right now, as you can see, this is the carpet and it is raining outside. So anybody comes in here, I do have a hardwood floor. I have dogs, cats, hair gets on it, it's okay. This is washable, easy to actually vacuum it. Easy to do anything. And the dogs actually sleep on this sometimes, and the cats do too. So look at this guy doing his yoga moves on the actual carpet. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video, because I know this guy does. No, the carpet's not for you, it's for an entrance. So hope you guys enjoy it.